So this is a review for the Coleman 40-ounce insulated water bottle. I've had this for a couple weeks now. I know there's a lot of questions as to whether it fits in certain cup holders. It fits in this one. It doesn't go down all the way, but it doesn't fit in this one. So if you have a car, well, actually it kind of does, but not very well. Not as good as this one. So it depends. It's not going to fit on the smaller ones that maybe go on the side of your car like that. But it might fit depending, I guess, how new or old your car is. But had this for a couple weeks, and this is the best water bottle that I've ever owned. As you can see, it's got the protection here, just gives you that added security to make sure that the water is not coming out of here. This is where the water comes out of. Apart from that, to make the water come out of here, you have to push this button here, and that opens it up. Not sure if you can see it. It'll open it up. And in case you do have kids around, you can actually push this button here. See if it'll focus. Push this button here, and it pops out on this side now. And regardless of whether I push this here, it will not open. And apart from that, you can again secure it like that. It does have this, pops up, and then you can lift it up and carry it wherever you need to. Clicks back down. Top twist off. Put your water in there. Easily twist back on. Another added bonus is that it's actually got this padding at the bottom. Now, if you ever work near tabletops or anything, I used to have a water bottle that had the steel wrapped around the bottom, and every time I would put it down, it'd be making a very loud noise. But this one, considering it's padded, it goes down on the tables or any hard surface really softly. So overall, it's say 5 out of 5. Yeah, best water bottle I've ever owned.